In this video, I'll guide you on how to download FC24 for your desktop step by step. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for AS. First, open any browser on your desktop and search for the official EA website at www.ea.com. Once there, locate the Download EA app option and click on it. Choose your operating system. I'm selecting Windows. Select a location to save the file and click Save. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the file. The installer will launch and you'll see a Let's Go button. Click it. The app will take some time to download and install necessary files. After installation, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can log in using your Google, Facebook, or Steam account. I'll be using my Google account for this tutorial. Once signed in, you'll see a message to review the updated terms. Agree to the terms and click Next. Now you're all set. In the EA app dashboard, search for EA Sports FC24. Click on it, and you'll see the option to preload the game. Click Preload and select the installation location. By default, it's set to the C drive under Program Files, but you can change it by clicking the Change button and selecting your preferred location. Once the location is set, click Next and then agree to the terms shown. Finally, click Download and the game will start downloading. You can track the progress in your Downloads Manager. And that's how you can easily download and install FC24 on your desktop